Hey, this is JP with Central Hideout Mountain Weather. It's September 26, 2025, looking out at the Pioneer Mountains from the top of the Bedstead East from about a week ago. And if you're still enjoying this broadcast, we ask you to do a one-time donation or even better, sign up for that monthly sustaining membership. Over the next few days, we're going to have mostly nice, clear skies. Today's going to start out breezy, mostly sunny. There'll be a little bit of high elevation clouds. We've got a cold front moving through currently. And then Saturday is going to be really nice and sunny and warm. And then we're going to have some increasing clouds on Sunday with a possible rain shower in the late afternoon. Looking ahead at next week, we are looking like a more significant storm systems going to be rolling in Sunday evening and rain through Monday and Tuesday. We'll talk about that more towards the end of the briefing. Looking at the satellite this morning, a big low in the north, and you can see this little stretch of clouds as our dry cold front currently moving across the area. That'll bring some breezy winds with it today, but no precip in the forecast. Looking at the water vapor map, you can see nice clearly defined line. And there is a closed low off the coast of California that's spinning in some subtropical moisture, but it's going to be blocked by this cold front coming through. So it's going to be dry. Looking at the smoke, could have some smoke entering the area this evening, more towards Stanley. There might be a little bit haze in the Wood River Valley by this afternoon into the evening. This is looking at wind gust for today. Kind of back this up a little bit here. It's mostly going to be breezy in the mountains. Speed this up to right now. So by noon today, you could see some gusts up to 20, 25 miles per hour in the valley floor, but most of it's going to be to the south of us in the Snake River plains there. All right, getting into the big picture here, looking at 500 millibar chart. This is the GFS run we got going on here. So you can see this little trough here that's coming through today, dragging that cold front along with it. We're pretty much in a zonal flow up here. So it's gonna be fast moving storm systems. The jet stream's almost a straight line. The more you get these kinks and waves attached to the jet stream, the more those systems last over the area. So we'll have high pressure build in again for Saturday. That's those warm colors. And just keep your eye on the Gulf of Alaska. As we move into Sunday, you can see that low starts dropping down the coast and gets elongated and sets up more southwest flow leading into Monday. And that's when we're going to start to see some rain and 20-30% chance of thunder showers come through our neck of the woods. You can see that low really getting pretty significant off the coast of Washington there by Tuesday. So Monday night into Tuesday looks like the most rainfall. It's going to be kind of steady, looks like steady rain with that southwest flow attached to it. Wednesday does look like there might be a chance of some potential snow in the higher mountains. And then by Thursday, that low dissolves a little bit and is overhead and is moving quickly to the east. But then we have another trough digging in. It's not as significant looking for next Sunday. And I'm just going to stop talking at that point because then we're in the future cast. Let's get back to the now. So this is looking at Sunday afternoon. You can start to see a little bit of rain falling in the Pioneers Sunday night. But then by Monday noon, you start to see some light rain come in, more significant for Monday night. Still only a few tenths of an inch in the valley floors, pushing a half inch in the mountains. But Tuesday or Monday night, you can see it starts just picking up quite a bit, looking at almost a half inch in the valley floor by Tuesday morning. And then more so up in the Sawtooth Valley, looking like 3/4 of an inch in Stanley and about an inch of rain in the Sawtooth High Mountains. And we'll play that through Tuesday, continues into Wednesday. And by Wednesday, it's pretty much over. We're going to end out with totals about 3/4 of an inch in the Wood River Valley, heading up towards Galena, 1.3 inches in the Sawtooth Crest, pushing 2 inches of rainfall. So you're going to have to be aware of the Wapiti fire scar. Might kick more debris down onto the highway there. Earlier, it closed that temporarily earlier this or late in the late part of the summer. All right, moving on to snow. So these are looking at snow totals through, through the future here. Not really a ton of snow falling in the mountains, and this could change a little bit if the temperatures did decide to get a little colder. It's got a lot of southwest flow in it, so usually typically a little warmer. But looking in like just 1 to 2 inches in the higher mountains, maybe some of the white clouds, higher elevation, and the Lost Rivers could pick up 3. We'll see if that changes as we get closer. All right, so that's the deal. Rain's going to start falling on Monday, last through be most significant through Monday night into Tuesday, and then we're going to end the system with some cooler weather Wednesday morning that could produce a couple inches of snow in the forecast. And then it seems like it'll be out of the picture by Wednesday afternoon.